What if I told you that right now, from wherever you are in the world, you could be earning real money directly into your PayPal account with zero investment and zero experience? Look at this. Real money, real payments, real transactions. And it all came from 4 websites that most people have never even heard of. I'm going to show you exactly what these 4 websites are, exactly how they work, and exactly how you get your money out. No fluff, no wasted time, straight to the point. And these websites are not just for one country. They work worldwide. Surveys, tasks, games, and one of them pays you literally while you sleep without doing anything at all. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last website on this list is honestly the most unique one on here. You can earn money from it completely passively in the background. Let's get into it.
Okay, so what if universities and research companies paid you real money just to share your opinion? No selling, no special skills, just answering honest questions from your phone or laptop. That is exactly what Prolific.com does. And it is honestly one of the best-kept secrets for making money online in 2026. This is the Prolific homepage. Unlike other survey sites that pay you pennies, Prolific has a strict minimum pay policy. Every single study on this platform pays at least $6 per hour, and most pay significantly more than that. Real researchers from real universities and companies post studies here and pay real people like you to participate. Signing up is completely free and takes less than 3 minutes. You enter your basic details, connect your PayPal account, and then complete your profile. That profile step is the most important part, and I will show you exactly why in a moment. Once you are inside your dashboard, this is where all available studies appear. Look at these right here. £5 for 45 minutes, £5 for another 45 minutes, £3.85 for 35 minutes. And look at this one, 75 pence for just 6 minutes, which works out at £7.50 per hour. Every study shows you the exact pay, the exact time it takes, and how many spots are left before it closes. Now, here is the secret to getting more studies than everyone else. Go to the About You section. This is your profile where you answer questions about yourself, your demographics, your location, your education, your beliefs. The more questions you complete, the more studies you qualify for. Look at this profile. Every single category is completed. That is why this account gets flooded with study invitations every single week. This is what a real study looks like from the inside. $12.50 per hour average reward. Over 23,000 eligible participants. And submissions are tracked and approved in real time. You complete the study, submit your code, and the payment gets queued immediately. And here is proof that Prolific actually pays. Look at this submissions page. 9 studies completed, 9 approved. Total earned, £9.50. Every single submission marked approved in green. No rejected payments, no waiting months. Prolific has one of the highest approval rates of any platform like this. Getting your money out is the simplest part. Go to your account settings and look at the Cash Out Details section. Your PayPal account is linked right here. Your current balance shows on the right. When you are ready, just click Cash Out. Look at this Cash Out screen. Prolific balance £9.50. Estimated fees, 0. You get the full amount. 0 fees, 0 deductions. Prolific pays out every Tuesday and Friday afternoon. Click Proceed, and the money is on its way. And here is the final proof, a real PayPal transaction showing payment received from Prolific. £9.50, completed, directly in your PayPal account within hours of cashing out. Prolific.com is completely free to join. The link is in the description below. Sign up, complete your full profile on day 1, and start receiving paid study invitations immediately. And stay right here because I have 3 more websites coming up in this video. Each one another way to make real money online in 2026. Okay, so look at this number right here. $684 million. That is how much real people just like you have already cashed out from using Swagbucks. This is not a scam. This is not a trick. Swagbucks.com is a completely free rewards platform that pays you for doing simple things online. And today I am going to show you exactly how it works, how to earn, and how to withdraw your money. The first way to earn is by answering surveys. Look at this page right here. You can see real surveys available right now, some paying 75 SB, 100 SB, 150 SB, even 400 SB per survey. Now 100 SB equals $1. So that 400 SB survey pays you $4 for 37 minutes of your time. The more surveys you complete every day, the faster your balance grows. The second way to earn is by watching videos. Swagbucks has entire playlists of sponsored videos, and you earn SB just for letting them play. You do not even have to actively watch. Open this page, hit play on a playlist, and let it run in the background while you do something else. Completely passive earning with zero effort. Now this is where the serious money is on Swagbucks, the Discover section. Look at these offers. 6,000 SB for one task, 1,300 SB for another, 300 SB for trying Amazon Prime Video free for 30 days. These are the highest paying tasks on the entire platform. Sign up for a free trial, download an app, or try a new service, and earn hundreds of SB in a single action. Always check this section first every single day. The third way to earn is through the shop section. Look at all these major stores: Walmart, eBay, Expedia, Home Depot, Hotels.com. Every time you shop at any of these stores through Swagbucks, you earn cash back automatically. Walmart gives you up to 4% cash back. Home Depot gives you up to 8%. You are already shopping online anyway, so you might as well get paid for it every single time. Here is a feature most people completely ignore: the daily bonus. Every day, Swagbucks gives you a personal earning goal. Hit that goal and you earn bonus SB on top of everything you already made. And if you hit your daily goal for 7 days in a row, you get a streak bonus of 25 extra SB. Do this every single month, and you are earning hundreds of bonus SB without doing anything extra. It takes less than 5 minutes a day to activate this. Now let's talk about getting your money out. Go to the rewards section and look at everything available here: Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, Zalando, Payoneer, and PayPal cash directly to your account. The options are available in multiple currencies, including euros and dollars, so this works no matter where you live in the world. Here is exactly how the PayPal withdrawal works. You need a minimum of 580 SB to cash out 5 euros, 1,130 SB for 10 euros, 2,780 SB for 25 euros, all the way up to 100 euros at once. Once you hit redeem, your money lands in your PayPal within a few business days. Simple, direct, and completely reliable. Swagbucks is completely free to join and takes less than 2 minutes to sign up. The link is in the description below this video. Go create your account right now and start earning today. And stay right here because I have 2 more websites coming up in this video, each one a completely different way to make real money online in 2026.
Okay, so what if you could get paid to take photos, write short texts, test apps, and complete simple online tasks from your phone or laptop? No experience needed, no special skills required. That is exactly what clickworker.com is. And it is available in over 140 countries worldwide. This is the ClickWorker homepage. ClickWorker is a platform that connects everyday people with companies that need simple human tasks completed. Things like writing product descriptions, taking photos, testing apps, answering surveys, and training AI systems. You sign up for free, pick the tasks you want, complete them at your own pace, and get paid every single week. Signing up takes less than 5 minutes. You enter your basic details, choose your skills, and complete a short assessment test. That assessment is important. The more assessments you pass, the more tasks you unlock, and the more money you can earn. Take it seriously from day one. Once you are inside your dashboard, this is what it looks like. Available on both desktop and mobile. Look at all these different job categories right here: photo capturing, app testing, surveys, video creation, text writing. Every single task shows you exactly how much it pays per job and how long you have to complete it. You choose which tasks match your skills and your schedule. Look at these real tasks available right now. $2.50 to show photos of your dining area, $18 for taking photos of fragrances, $3 for creating a short dance video, $4.50 for a photo of a bridge at sunset, $5 for writing about basketball accessories. And look at this one, $18.19 for a single photo task. You can also do this entirely from your phone using the ClickWorker mobile app, which works exactly the same way as the desktop version. Now let's talk about getting paid. ClickWorker pays out every 7 days automatically. The payment method available to you depends on your region and your country. For example, in my country, the available options are Payoneer and AirTM. Payoneer has a minimum payout threshold of €20 with a small transfer fee of €2.50. AirTM has a minimum of just €10 with a 1% fee. Other regions may have additional payment options available. Check your account settings to see exactly which methods are available for you. ClickWorker.com is completely free to join. The link is in the description below. Sign up today, complete your assessments on day 1, and start picking up tasks immediately. And stay right here because I have one more website coming up. Another completely different way to make real money online in 2026. What if you could make money online just by playing games, answering surveys, and even by doing absolutely nothing at all? That is exactly what Pawns.app lets you do. And the best part, it works worldwide, it is completely free, and you can start earning within minutes of signing up. This is the Pawns.app homepage. Pawns is a platform that pays you in 3 completely different ways: playing games and completing offers, answering surveys, and sharing your unused internet connection passively in the background. You can use all 3 at the same time to maximize your earnings every single day. Signing up takes less than 1 minute. You can register directly with your Google account. 1 click and you are inside your dashboard immediately. No long forms, no verification delays. Just click and start earning. Once you're inside your dashboard, this is where everything happens. The offer section is where you earn by downloading and playing mobile games. App developers pay Pawns to get real people to test and play their games, and Pawns passes that money directly to you. Look at these offer walls: Prime Earn, BitLabs, Torox, each one offering between $1 and $100 per offer. You pick the games you want to play and earn cash for reaching specific levels. The second way to earn is through surveys. Look at this page right here. You can see real surveys available right now, some taking just 2 minutes for 29 cents, others paying 43 cents for 6 minutes, and some paying up to $1.50 for longer surveys. The amounts add up fast when you stack multiple surveys throughout your day. Now, here is the feature that makes Pawns.app completely unique compared to every other platform in this video: internet sharing. You download the Pawns desktop app, turn on internet sharing, and Pawns pays you automatically just for sharing your unused internet bandwidth in the background. Your data stays completely private. Only bandwidth is shared. You do not have to do anything. Just leave it running and watch your balance grow while you sleep. Now let's talk about getting your money out. The minimum cash out is just $5. Look at all the withdrawal options available: Bitcoin, electronic transfer, Venmo, PayPal, and a huge selection of virtual gift cards, including Visa, Google Play, eBay, Apple, Adidas, Best Buy, and dozens more. The payment method available depends on your country. Select your country in the cash out section to see exactly which options are available for you. Pawns.app is completely free to join and available worldwide. The link is in the description below. Sign up in 1 click with your Google account right now and start earning from your very first session. And that is all 4 websites covered in this video. 4 completely different ways to make real money online in 2026 with 0 investment and 0 experience needed. And that is all 4 websites. 4 completely free and legitimate ways to make real money online in 2026. Let me do a quick recap before you go. Number 1, Prolific. Get paid by real universities and research companies just to share your opinion. Up to $20 per hour with 0 fees on every withdrawal. Number 2, swag bucks. Earn by doing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Over $684 million already paid out to real members worldwide. That number does not lie. Number 3, ClickWorker. Complete simple tasks like writing, photo capturing, and app testing from your phone or laptop. Available in over 140 countries with automatic weekly payments. And number 4, Pawns.app. The most passive option on this entire list. Play games, answer surveys, and earn money completely in the background just by sharing your unused internet connection while you sleep. Now here is my honest advice before you close this video. Do not try to do all 4 at the same time when you are just starting out. Pick one, spend 1 week getting comfortable with it, then add a second one. Stack them gradually and your earnings will grow every single month without overwhelming yourself. All 4 links are in the description below. Completely free to join, no credit card required, no hidden fees. Click the first link right now and create your account before you forget. If this video helped you at all, drop a like. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe to TechCrafted so you never miss a video. I post honest money making and free tools guides every single week. And if you want to see more ways to make money online in 2026, that video is right here. I will see you there.